Hey, buddy. Hey!
A Marion County deputy responded to a report of a suspicious person.
Did he say that this subject tried to stab him?
For deputies, even seemingly routine calls can involve risks that aren't immediately apparent upon arrival.
Proceed to red.
Hey, partner. Hey, buddy. Hey!
There.
67, 62, Marion. He's signal 55.
26.
Hispanic, male, green shirt. He's running through the woods right now. I believe he's got a knife. Come here now!
26. HLB 1033 for now. Current any unit in the area of 11770 Northwest 11th Place, signal 13 India, signal 55.
Get your hands now!
67, 62 advising. Hispanic male, green shirt, running through woods with knife.
Yeah.
Background 10 on.
51.
51.
Did he say that this subject tried to stab him?
That's 10-4.
He had something in his hand. I can't confirm if it was a knife, but I was on the ground and he was steady hitting my chest. But my vest got it.
26.
Replay shows the suspect armed with a knife as he rushes the deputy.
Hey!
Once on the ground, multiple strikes are directed toward the deputy's chest. Fortunately, the deputy's body armor prevented the attack from causing serious injuries.
Come here now! Put your hands up! The subject's crossing the road right now. He's got something in his left hand. I can't tell what it is. Lay down on the ground now! Get on the ground! Get on the ground now! Drop what you got and get on the ground now! He's got a knife. Get on the ground now! He's got a knife. Yeah, because he come at me fast. I almost shot him earlier. Get on the ground!
Get on the ground! Get on your stomach! Get on your
Watch
stomach!
that knife.
Get on your stomach!
Watch the knife.
Put your hands behind your back! Hands behind your back! Don't
Don't reach for anything!
Don't even move!
I'm going to kick that knife
Don't even
away.
move! If you move and you grab that knife, you're
knives.
gonna get shot. Do you understand
I'll kick the knives away.
I don't care who you grab.
Why are you calling for backup? Why are you calling for backup? Not by myself.
If you move, you're gonna get tased. Do you understand?
Despite the sudden attack, the deputy sustained minor injuries.
How about myself? Why are you calling for backup? Because you were trying
6 years. We got him detained.
I should have killed you, bitch. You know that, right? I should have killed you. Okay. You're lucky I didn't. You know that, right? You should thank God for that. I would have killed you in your neck. I would have stabbed you in your neck. You're lucky I didn't. Thank God for that shit.
Investigators ultimately charged the suspect with attempted murder of a law enforcement officer. Incidents like this highlight the uncertainty deputies face, where seemingly routine encounters can become dangerous without warning. Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this video informative, subscribe for more on-duty incidents and law enforcement encounters.